At number 4, we have the Colgate Optic White Pro series. The Colgate Optic White Toothpaste stands out for its professional-grade formula containing 5% hydrogen peroxide, matching the concentration dentists use for in-office treatments. The toothpaste combines chemical bleaching with mild abrasives, like silica, to tackle both surface stains and deeper discoloration, effectively lifting years of accumulated stains from coffee, wine, and smoking. Its enamel-safe formulation allows daily use without sensitivity, while fluoride strengthens teeth and prevents cavities. A unique warming sensation during brushing enhances the experience, and the vegan-friendly, gluten-free formula avoids harsh additives. Visible whitening results appear within days, with consistent use delivering progressively brighter teeth. The inclusion of stain-blocking agents like calcium pyrophosphate helps prevent new discoloration, ensuring long-term results. Though the texture feels slightly gritty, it lathers well and leaves a fresh minty finish without overwhelming foaming. This balance of potency and safety makes it a top choice for those seeking dentist-level whitening at home.